Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth is not detecting devices in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Bluetooth of your Windows is not detecting nearby devices, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Just go to search and just search for settings. And once you are in settings, you just have to go to Bluetooth and devices. So you can try to disable and then re-enable your Bluetooth. Or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode to make a refresh with your network settings. And once you have done, you just have to go back and you have to retry to click on this plus option or add device option. Then select Bluetooth and you just have to make sure that Bluetooth on your second device is also enabled. Or if you're still facing the same issues, just go to home and here just go to search. You just have to simply search for troubleshoot and here just write troubleshoot and you might see the troubleshoot settings. Click on this, then click on other troubleshooters and just look for Bluetooth here. It's a Bluetooth, just click on run and you might get the issue you have with your Bluetooth and your PC. So just wait for this loading here. Or after troubleshooting your Bluetooth, your issue is still not fixed, you just have to go back and here the very first thing you just have to press the window button on the or go to search section and you just have to simply search for services. Once you find services, you just have to look for Bluetooth service here. So here's the Bluetooth service. You just have to look for Bluetooth support service, click on it, right click on this and then click on restart. It will completely restart your Bluetooth service of your device. So if there will be any issue, it might fix in this step. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to click on the search option again and just search for device manager and open it. So once you have opened, you just have to look for Bluetooth here. It's a Bluetooth. Just right click on it, go to properties, or you can also go to adapter of your Bluetooth and then you can try to update driver or you can try to uninstall device. So once you have uninstalled, you can reinstall it or you can also try to update this from here. Just click on search automatically. So it will search if there will be any latest version of your driver. After updating drivers, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.